My name is Ken Sullivan. I worked in the mining industry for over 30 years. When I came across the old gates here in Tredegar, I thought it was a shame that we were going to lose these to the people of Tredegar. And then while I was doing a programme for the miners' pension, I came across that there had been 4 mining disasters in Tredegar, where 59 miners were killed. 4 of those were under the age of 12. 2 of them was killed with their fathers. When you think of age 12, that's first year comp. These gates are very important. I want to use them as a memorial towards those miners that was killed. What we want to do is to reposition these gates up by the old post office in Tredegar, so where all the people of Tredegar can read the memorial plaques we're going to have put on there. The one plaque will be about the gates and where the gates have come from down on the old Tredegar Central Workshop site. The second plaque will be the name and ages of the 59 miners that was killed in the 4 mining disasters in Tredegar. A few of us in the Tredegar Miners Memorial have worked hard to try to raise money to get this up and running. The plan is to put the gates there. It's going to come at a cost. We got to try to raise the money. We're looking to raise between 14 and 15,000 pounds for this project. At the moment, we've got about 4,000 pounds in our fund that we have done through Christmas raffles, collections and a few donations. We now need the help of the people of Tredegar or wherever to help save this bit of the history, a very important part of history of Tredegar. And with your help, I'm sure we could raise the money to get these gates situated up there, not just for us, but for the future generations, for the people of Tredegar, especially the children coming along to see what the miners and the miners' family went through and lived through the times, very hard times of Tredegar.